You're welcome. You are my brother.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're my brother.
And show me.
मेरे पैसे दो. Oh yes. Where is this?
Central Park, ATH.
Central Park? Oh, it's very fresh place. Oh, they're playing cricket. That's cricket, right? Wow, very nice. I like cricket. Oh, happy family. 뭐, 진짜 뜯다. 오, 깜짝. 오, 우와. 깜짝. 와, 대박이다.
They're wild animals in the park.
아, 오 깜짝이야. You can fly? You can fly. Ah yeah, you're a bird, so you can fly. Wow. The view is amazing. So great. 이건 봐. Look at the clouds. It's just amazing. Wow.
The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden.
Okay. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you?
MashaAllah, alhamdulillah.
Mashallah.
Feel a lot better today.
आप ठीक है?
TK.
Good.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes. Actually, I came here yesterday, but I was too sick.
You're not feeling bad.
So I came here to eat dinner again. Thank you so much. They always invite me.
You're welcome. You are my brother.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're my brother.
And show.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
आपसे मिलके हमें.
मेरे पैसे दो. Oh, what is that?
This is oud.
What?
Oud
Oud?
perfume.
Oh, mashallah.
Holy perfume.
Oh, mashallah. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
And
Wow.
this is shalwar kameez suit.
Shirok. Oh my gosh. we just shopping Sharok Kami today. But thank you so much. Oh, yes, there is no color. Oh, I don't have this color. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're
Oh,
welcome.
mashallah. Thank you so much.
problem.
I have 4 Sharok Kamis. No, 5 Sharok Kamis. And it's all present. Oh, mashallah.
You
Thank you
like
so much.
Sharok Kamis?
I love so much. I always wear. Appetizer. Oh, it's good. With chai. Gurum chai. Oh, home food making. Wow. Chicken.
Chicken with bone, white
Bone.
handy.
What will you make?
White handy.
White handy. White handy.
Oil, 1 cup oil.
1 cup oil.
2 kg chicken. 10 minutes fry then.
10 minutes. Oh. Second step.
Ginger garlic powder.
Oh, so it's marinade kind of.
Yes.
Oh, mashallah. Oh, it smells very good.
To add black pepper. 1.5 teaspoon.
Okay, I got it. Wow, interesting.
Half kg yogurt.
Oh, yogurt.
Yes.
Oh.
बता दो कितना 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
Assalamu alaikum. 안녕하세요. Daud Kim입니다. So today I am invited by Pakistan family and he's taking video. मेरे पैसे दो. Okay, so he's very good friend of mine. Yes, we just met yesterday, but now he's my best friend. He's my brother. आपका नाम क्या है?
वसीम खान.
क्या है?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप
मेटिकुन. मेरे पैसे दो. मेरे पैसे दो. Okay, so it's Sarah's kitchen. Okay, this right?
Yeah, Sarah's kitchen.
Mashallah. I subscribe.
Thank you.
Oh, so many foods. Okay, I will go Korea and I will follow these recipes. Oh,
Much fun.
I will be the master of Pakistan food.
Pakistani food, yeah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yes. Oh, smells so good. Wow, colors. Wow. With this fire.
Now I'm going to add fried onion.
Fried onion.
Fried onion. Almost 1 cup.
Oh, is it safe?
Safe, safe. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I don't want to be burned in the kitchen. Oh, it makes the color so amazing. So you guys like cooking?
Yeah.
So beautiful.
I'm going to add 2 pack of cream.
Oh, cream?
Yes.
That's interesting. So the cream makes the flavor more soft.
Yeah.
Yes. And creamy. cream जो है वो चूल्हा बंद करके ऐड की जाती है, ये मेंशन करते हैं।
So we are waiting food. मुझे भूख लगी है. चलो चलो. मुझे भूख लगी है. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम अनीस है।
मेरा नाम क्या है?
आपका नाम दाऊद किम है।
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम शामिर है।
क्या है?
शामिर।
मैं ठीक हूँ। आप ठीक का क्या है?
मेरा हाल ठीक।
मैं ठीक हूँ माशाल्लाह। ओह मेरे पैसे दो। They are my new friends.
Hello, friends.
Assalamu alaikum. I have so many friends in Pakistan.
Apparently yes.
My brothers, new brothers. You all work together, right? And you work together?
No.
You're the owner of the house,
Yes.
and they live in here.
Yes.
Ah, masha. Your sons?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, your son. All of them are your sons. So I'm your son too.
Yeah.
Yeah, big son. Mashallah. He's the real son. Oh, it's almost finished.
Yes. It's ready.
Mashallah.
Green chilies.
I want to try
Sure.
right now.
This
Chalo.
is,
Oh,
this is chana dal roast. Chana dal roast.
it looks so tasty.
This is ready.
Let's eat.
This is mutton
Wow,
flour.
looks so amazing.
You want to taste?
Let's taste together. Oh, secret recipe sauce. Sarah's kitchen. Subscribe and like. Oh, very nice, very nice.
Thank you,
진짜
thank
맛있다. आपसे मैं क्या खुश हुई? मेरे पैसे दो. Nice to meet you. Assalamu alaikum. चलो.
Word.
Okay, teach me Urdu, please. Teach me.
Okay. The word is mushad.
Mushid.
Mushad.
Yes.
Mushad.
So whenever you meet a saint, you call
Saint
him
or maybe a good friend or maybe a very good friend.
peer.
Yes.
So you my Mushid.
Yeah.
You have so many murshid there.
Many Mushid.
Yes.
So many.
You my Mushid too.
Yes.
Mushid. So many Mushid. Mashallah.
6 Murshids in the house.
6 Mushid in the house. Okay. That's good.
Yes.
मेरे मशहद हो. Right? Okay, good. Okay, mashallah. Okay.
Spot on.
ठीक है. Oh, you sing not?
Yes.
माशाल्लाह.
चलो जल्दी से कर लो खाना भी लगा.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
मदीने में सबा जाना तो इतना काम कर देना रसूल अल्लाह को मेरी गरीबी की खबर देना.
बहुत माशाल्लाह.
Was one of my dream doing nuts. Okay.
Okay.
Inshallah. बहुत अच्छा है.
Thank you. My pleasure.
माशाल्लाह.
मेरे पैसे दो.
Awesome.
White chicken. White chicken कढ़ाई.
कढ़ाई.
Chicken and dal वो
Dal
चने की
chana
दाल.
dal.
दाल चना and मटर पुलाव.
Wow, mashallah. So today I'm your guest.
Yeah, chief guest.
Chief guest.
Yeah.
Okay.
CEO.
And you're Mushab.
Murshid.
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 Yeah, you're Murshid. Oh, mashallah.
Naeem bhai, Shamir bhai, please.
Looks like biryani, but it's not biryani.
Not biryani. This is pulao, plain white rice with green peas.
Okay. Murshad out like this.
Yeah.
Like now. Okay. Bismillah. Oh, it's good, it's good. Chicken, white chicken.
अच्छा है
बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत क्योंकि आप लोगों के क्या रिव्यूज
बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा
बहुत अच्छा है.
It's too good. बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत अच्छा. मजेदार.
मजेदार.
बहुत मजेदार. I think they cooked this for a really long time. The chicken is so soft. And I think the creamy is really sweet with this. Yes. Because it's very soft, it's soft and creamy also. So it's not even spicy. Oh, बहुत मजेदार.
Lentils
I'll try this.
दाल चिकन ही बोले. जो पाकिस्तानी नाम.
दाल चिकन हाँ
That's good. Pakistan home food is the best.
is best. Yeah, you're right.
Game end. The best. I will give you 100 out of 10.
100 out of 10.
It's high. Smells Oh, it's very good too.
But the chicken karahi is
karahi is always amazing.
number one.
I have to pay 5,000 rupee.
Wow, मेरे पास से दो. Sarah's kitchen.
Sarah's kitchen. Sarah's Kim's kitchen. Sarah's kitchen. Sarah's kitchen. Subscribe, like. Oh, even water is delicious here. Pakistan people eat like an hour maybe over an hour because they eat and talk and drink tea.
Yes.
And it's very
Discuss about
good
days.
culture. Eating is not just eating.
No, it's
like
enjoyment.
having enjoyment and having a brotherhood and familyhood. And but in Korea they eat in 15 hours. It's like just for surviving. Just eat, finish, and go back to work. So I really like this culture. Let's go to drink tea. Round 2. It's time to eat tea. You're from Multan, right?
Near to Multan, Layyan. It's
Oh,
Layyan.
where are you from?
I'm from Imali.
Miyawali. Imran Khan.
Oh, you're I'm
ये
sorry.
हमारा आदमी है इमरान खान.
You are from Islamabad, and you're from Islamabad.
Gujranwala.
The food of the city.
Yes.
Food city. Oh, I see. I should go there.
Where are you from?
So I'm from Pakistan.
Also from Pakistan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
मेरे पैसे दो.
Mere Besedo. It's my new father. New father.
Your elder brother.
Yes. Elder brother. I'm sorry. My elder brother.
Yes.
Yes. Still young.
I'm younger than him. तुम पाकिस्तानी.
मैं पाकिस्तानी.
मैं obviously Pakistani.
Oh, मैं पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. Dilli Pakistan. Yes. So which sport is the most popular in
Cricket.
Pakistan?
Cricket.
Number 1.
Number 1. Hockey number 2.
Hockey, ice hockey.
No, stick hockey.
Field hockey.
Yeah.
Oh. How about kabaddi? My favorite.
Not actually a
They're very energetic. I like this part most. Like just run away. Like, you touch and run away. This part is the best. This is amazing drink too. 1 spoon sugar. I will be fed in Pakistan.
Sugar, chini,
Chini, kawa.
kawa. Will make good taste.
Lime.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
ये जो इनके साथ मसला हुआ ना पेट में.
He was so happy to come here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.
My bye. Thank you.
Mere beseto.
No, you know.
7 mushid. So many mushid here. So many. You have so many sons. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for inviting. Was so happy. Then when I come to Pakistan, I will come here again.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you so much for welcoming.
No problem.
I love Pakistan. Thank you so much.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Dil Pakistan.
Korea Zindabad.
Korea Zindabad.
Okay. Thank you. Daud.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
साढ़े
Thank you so
3
much.
मिलियन लोग देखेंगे आप लोग.
Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Bye. Let's go. Allah Hafiz.
Keep in touch, huh?
Okay, keep in touch. Inshallah.
Okay.
So it was really amazing day. I invited by Pakistan family, and I already told you so many times, Pakistan's hospitality is another level. Then thank you for watching my video. Take care and be safe. Alhamdulillah. Masalam. Allah Hafiz.
I've been waiting, I've been hurting, 'cause I've been falling. I need your help. My heart is breaking, so tired of crying.